jam, something that I use a rat tooth comb to get this style, this look. And also I use a mirror to see the back of my head and the parts. I use a wide tooth comb to comb through. And last but not least, some clips to hold it in place. And then some jam to do those edges. Alright, and this is how we establish this look right here. This is the secret recipe to make sure you have perfect braids. And I'm going to get started on one. I gel the whole pieces of hair down. I was going to say the perimeter, but not the perimeter, but I gel every piece, the part, the edges and everything, keep it in place, and to also give it that shine. Then I start braiding. Grab 3 pieces. Start braiding, braid really tight. And then I add in the hair. This will be my hair. I have a lot of hair because I want a thicker braid. And I have thick hair as well, so we need a lot of hair. Braid. Simple, easy, protective hairstyle. I add a little shine jam to keep it nice and shiny and blend in with the pre-stretched hair. I'll show you the hair in a minute, right when I get done with this braid. I'll make sure that I always try to like comb through the hair because you get tangled extremely easy. Keep it jammed. I add another piece of hair. Make sure I keep it nice and thick. Sometimes I comb through so I don't have any of the lumps or anything sticking out. And I'll braid tight. Because I got thick hair, so if you got thicker hair, braid tighter. My suggestion. And then I always gotta make sure that I comb through because it will definitely get tangled and be hard to detangle. It's early, y'all. Just bear with me. And then I continue to braid. I don't add any more hair in because I think it's thick enough. I don't want to put that much strain on my real hair. Because I'm going to have some hair left when I take the braids out. But I make sure that I grip it tight enough. So it will stay in place. And it's a great protective style. Doesn't take long at all. So you can tangle it up at the end. And then for like my other braids, I just like tie them at the bottom and then I'm gonna dip them in water later just to keep it neat. Add a little gel to the other ones. I'm gonna tie it up with the scarf after I dip it in the water. And just braid it down to the bottom. Easy, simple style. The hardest part that I would say is possibly parting it. What I suggest, make all your parts ahead of time because that's what's going to take up your time, the actual parting. Looking in the back of your head, making sure your parts are straight. I always put gel on my part and that helps it become more straighter, more finer. It looks a lot better. And it all depends on how much gel you want to use. I like for mine to be nice, shiny, and look very crisp. See at the bottom here, the piece is already like shedding off. This is actually the Expressions pre-stretch bundle hair. 3 come in a pack. I know they also have 6 in a pack. You can get the 6 in a pack. No more than $10.99, I believe. Don't quote me, but I believe no more than $10.99. And you know, something easy. If you don't like doing your hair daily, I suggest this because I have a newborn, and I don't have time to do hair daily. So this is what I choose to do. And you can definitely book with the link in the bio, Styles by Mesmerize. If you want any type of different hairstyle, I do locks, I do knotless braids. You can also DM me, let me know what you may want, and I will finish up showing the end product once I do the other 2, and I will definitely let you guys know. Thanks for tuning in. This was the final result when I did the protective style for my 6-stitch braids. Absolutely love it, and it lasts.